Hi there. Have you been struggling with excessive stomach gas or never ending inflammation? Well, come closer. Let me show you how I was able to bring my stomach inflammation from this to this. Well, I know that keeping up with routines like taking ginger shots can be quite challenging, but not to worry. I have a workable solution that can help you achieve this daily, regardless of how tight your schedule is. So just sit tight and enjoy the ride.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther. Today I'll be making lemon and ginger shots for busy people. So I start by washing up my fruits. I'm using 4 lemons, 3 oranges and half a pound of ginger. It is very important to wash the back of all these ingredients very well because I will be blending all of them up without peeling. So I'm going to be using baking soda to ensure that every acidic substance from the pesticide used to grow these fruits are washed out. I'm going to scrub it even with a brush and then give it a good rinse and proceed to cut them. If you're using a regular blender, you may want to cut this into smaller pieces. Because I'm going to be using my juicer to juice this, it doesn't really matter what size I cut the fruits. I'm going to start by adding the ginger first, so that the juice from the lemons and the oranges can help push the ginger through the juicer. Notice that I have not added any water to this at all. I will let you know at the end of this video why that is. And I'm also juicing the peels of these ingredients because the peel of lemon and oranges contain flavonoids. These are antioxidants that can help prevent cell damage. They are rich in vitamin C and A. They are an excellent source of fiber and also contain limonene, a compound that have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Ginger, on the other hand, has antioxidant properties and is also a good source of fiber. It's rich in vitamin C and minerals like potassium, magnesium, and manganese. I'm going to transfer this juice into a mixing bowl and then add the rest of the ingredients. First, I'm going to go in with apple cider vinegar with this mother root. This is essential because of its antimicrobial properties, which helps to kill any harmful bacteria. It also has antioxidant effects because of the presence of polyphenols in it that helps to protect cells from free radicals, as well as other benefits around digestive health and blood sugar control, and also weight control. I will be adding freshly cracked black pepper and cayenne pepper because they have anti-inflammatory as well as antibacterial properties, and most importantly, they help with nutrient absorption, detoxification of the body, and may help with weight loss. Turmeric, on the other hand, contain all of the properties above and may support the immune system. Turmeric may also support cancer prevention and may improve brain function. After combining all of these ingredients very well, I'll be transferring them into my silicone molds and freeze them for a couple of hours, preferably overnight. If you do not have silicone molds, you can also make use of your ice cube tray, but I prefer the silicone molds because it's easy to pop out the tablets when it's frozen as against the trays, which may be hard and difficult to eject the ice cubes when they are frozen. So all I need to do first thing in the morning on an empty stomach is to take 2 to 3 tablets of this ginger shot, add honey. This is recommended but is optional, and then add hot water. Recall I told you I will let you know why I didn't use water to juice at the beginning. Now this is why. You need these ginger tablets as concentrated as possible so that you still get enough benefits from it after you've added hot water. And for the remaining ones, I'll simply transfer it into a freezer bag or a Ziploc bag and keep it frozen for as long as it lasts. I hope I've been able to provide you a solution to a very stringent problem. Now, if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.